Okay, so Unit 12. The last three units will cover the early 20th century to today. This unit covers modernism, which is about 1900 till about 1960. The next two units will cover the postmodernist period, and that's everything after 1960. This lecture today, as I said, covers the mid-20th century, until the mid-20th century, and there's lots of changes that happened during this time. There are changes and discoveries in science and technology and industry, and also society changes a lot during this time period. And so, as a result, the art world, things change a lot, and they happen very quickly. Things change very quickly, and there's one movement, one right after another. For instance, there is the Fauves, there's the German Expressionists, the Cubists, Dadaism, Surrealism, and Abstract Expressionism. Again, one right after another. So, and during this time period, a lot of artists became famous that we think of when we think of the modernist period. For instance, Matisse, Picasso, Beckmann, Bernard, and Pollock, all very important, influential artists. Okay, so for this week you have some extra reading to do, and you can find this in the discussion topic. And it is Clement Greenberg's Modernist Painting, and he was a very influential art critic in the early 1900s to about mid-1900. And he was, in fact, this article is very influential in informing the modernist period. And so, of course, that's why we read it. And then after you do read the article, then you will do the discussion, which is based on that article. So one last thing you want to be aware of is at the bottom of Unit 12, you'll see Final Exam, Items to Study. This is important. It's sort of a guide.